Want this reverse? Make the clip where you want to do the reverse. 0.5, 0.7 seconds long. Now select speed, curve, custom. Put the second dot to 0.1x long, select better quality. Make it so that the clip matches 0.7 seconds long, a bit over the beat. Put keyframes, one at the end and the other at the start. Go to transform. Zoom in on the clip to 165%. Now graphs. Follow these steps. Select cubic out. Now duplicate the clip. Reverse the duplicated clip. Delete the last keyframe for the reversed clip. Cut the clip till it matches the dot beat. Put the keyframe back and align it with the box frame. Select graphs again and choose cubic in. Then go to speed, then curve, and put the first keyframe to 0.1x and the second keyframe to 1.0. Keep everything in better quality. You can select the mix transition to get the reverse a bit smoother if it's not that good. The result.